Alright, welcome back to a new video. So in today's video we are going to test some PSP on the Gamebox 3D. So I'm ready for it. Let's go. Alright, so let's start with Tekken 6. So far so good. Get ready for the next battle. You can hear the sound a little bit crackling. Don't mind me, I'm trying to search the buttons because they basically messed it all up. Mortal Kombat time. Why I'm player 2? Messed up.
Heaven or hell? Do one. Rock. The strongest will be chosen. Wallow in despair.
I'm not afraid anymore.
Battle 1. Fight.
Alright, so the Gamebox 3D. If you look at the PSP, it's not perfect at all. First of all, the controls are pretty messed up. So there are some games that are only noticing my control as player 2. The button mapping is not correct. You can fix it if you want. But also a strange thing is some games have support for the D-pad and the analog stick. What is very convenient because the D-pad is horrible. It's just horrible, people. And that's something that's very strange. A lot of games are glitched out and some are just pretty decent to play. So if it comes to PSP, it's not perfect at all in many ways. This is what you're going to get. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and it will be great to see you in the next video.